The heavy alif. Ah. The light alif. Ah. The heavy lam. La. The light lam. La. The heavy and the light letters in Arabic. Hello everyone, welcome to level 2 with Arabic with Safe. In the previous level, we have covered the 29 Arabic letters isolated shape and sound. Regarding the letters sound in level 1, I meant to pronounce some letters in a heavy way even though they should be light. Why? Because all the English letters are light and I do believe that the heavy sound is new for you. I need you to get used to find any letter deeper in your throat. But now, after we have finished level 1, I think it's the right time to teach you the heavy and the light letters in Arabic. But don't worry, this will be only one quick lesson. Then we will study how to connect Arabic letters. Okay, first, the heavy letters. By giving each letter the quality of heaviness, that means the mouth should be filled with the letter. There are 7 heavy letters in Arabic. Kha, kha, صاد, صاد, ضاد, ضاد, طاء, طاء, ظاء, ظاء, غين, غين, and قاف, قاف. Fill your mouth while saying these letters. Second, letters temporary, heavy and light. There are 3 letters, sometimes heavy, sometimes light. Letter Alif, sometimes heavy, the sound will be ah, or light, and the sound will be ah. This depends on some rules to be explained in the advanced levels. Letter Lam, sometimes heavy, and the sound will be la, la, or light, and the sound will be la, la. This also depends on some rules to be explained in other levels. Finally, letter Ra, sometimes heavy, and sound will be ra, ra, or light, and the sound will be re, re. Again, this depends on different rules to be explained in advanced level. I just need you to focus on the different sound tricks in this lesson. Third, the light letters. Basically, light letters are all the letters other than the heavy letters and the temporary heavy and light. So we have 7 heavy letters plus 3 temporary heavy or light letters, and the other 19 letters all are the light letters. Now let's pronounce all the letters once more, and I need you to listen carefully to the sound. Alif, alif. It can be both heavy, or light, a. Ba, light. Don't say ba, no. Ba, light. Ta, light. Don't say ta, no. Ta, light. Tha, light. Tha, don't say tha, no. Tha, light. Jim, light. Ha, light. So it's ha. Don't say ha. It's ha, light one. Kha, heavy. Dal, light. Don't say dal. No. Dal, light. Dhal, light. Don't say dhal. No. Dhal, light. Ra, it can be both heavy, ra, or light, re. Zay, light. Sin, light. Sheen, light. Sad, heavy. Dad, very heavy. Ta, heavy. Dha, heavy. Ain, light. Ghain, heavy. Remember in level 1 for both letters, Ain and Ghain, I pronounced it as Ain and Ghain. Again, that was to make it more easy for you to pronounce it. Now, you don't pronounce it straight, Ain or Ghain. Try to add tonation or curve them a little bit to get the right sound. Ain, not Ain. Ghain, not Ghain. Fa, light. Don't say fa. No. Fa. Qaf, heavy. Kaf, light. Kaf. Don't say qaf. No. Kaf. Lam. It can be both heavy, la, or light, la. Mim, light. Noon, light. Ha, light. Don't say ha. No. Ha, light. Wow, light. Wow. Don't say wow. No. Wow, light. Yeah, light. Don't say ya. No. Yeah, light. Finally, Hamza, the glottal stop. It's light sound. All right, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.